Hey everybody, welcome to another video. Jordan here, back with another one for Stoltz Farm, and today is kind of all about wood, and we are cleaning up some more trees around the yard today, and I believe we have a fairly large pile of trees to chip. So we're going to be using the big wood chipper and pulverizing some branches, and I think that's what we're doing today. Things are typically subject to change depending on weather and the overall calendar and list, but I think that's kind of what we've been talking about. So we're probably going to do that today and kind of knock that out of the summer list. The John Deere 2640 was in a repair shop because a rod broke in one of the levers in the tractor. It's home now. You can see it sitting over here by the combine, and it's ready. That is the tractor we use for the wood chipper, so that we're kind of waiting on that tractor to actually get this job done. We're gonna roll the intro right now, and we have some wheat almost ready to combine too. I'm gonna show you guys that in today's video. Stay tuned, great stuff to come. Let's go. So we're just rolling up here, peek out the window. We have this wood chipper sitting here, and this pile of branches is what we need to tackle. It should just be like an afternoon of work, and this wood chipper makes pretty good work of it once it's hooked up to the tractor and everything. So now that the tractor's working, we can do this. In the last video I mentioned I did a lot of yard cleanup. These dogs are panting like crazy. It's a little humid, I guess. It's not as hot as it has been, but anyways, in the last video I mentioned I had done some yard cleanup too, and chopped up some bushes and stuff, cleaned those up. A little bit more on that to do with the chainsaw. Also maybe like an afternoon of work. I'm kind of waiting out a cool day to do it. Today's only like 75, 80, so that might be a good time to even do that. We'll see, but there's some more cool weather to come, it looks like. So we got that going. That little tractor's out. Both combines are out. Here's the 9760, and you already saw the 9770 out in the yard. The 7510 is hooked up to the sickle mower over here to clip some prairie roads and ditches. Things are pretty overgrown. I think our ditches right around here are cleaned up, but we wanted to clean up some stuff around that first field of wheat that we're going to be harvesting in maybe a week or two. I'm going to show you guys that field in this video here pretty soon. We're gonna check in with the man and get some work done first, and then I'll come check back in with you guys. Stay tuned. What's up, everybody? It is the following day after doing that tree project. You guys saw, I think we got it all done. I still have a few more branches and all that to remove in my yard, but we're talking crops and harvest now at this point in the video. Got the cereal panter here with me, so you can listen to that the whole time while I'm talking. Go back seat. A nice little background track. She got sprayed by a skunk about a week ago, and she's still a little wafty too, so it's kind of rough in this pickup right now. But I'm going to drive down here to one of our first wheat fields that we planted this year, and it's about ready. I'm going to show you guys that as the crop check in today's video, and we're going to talk about the timeline for it, that field specifically, and harvest in general. I mentioned earlier in this video that we're probably going to harvest in maybe a couple of weeks, and I think that's about accurate. You know, 7 to 10 days we'll probably dabble with trying it. The 9760, the 9770 are serviced and they're ready to go. Just need to hook up headers and we should be ready to roll. But let's go look at the crop and what we're dealing with. All right, so we planted this one first in our whole process. Actually, I was out here a couple days ago, and my dad and me looked at it. Wasn't ready, but boy, it was a lot greener than this. It's already turning a lot. You can see a little hint of green in here. I don't even know if you can see it on the video, but you know, it's definitely getting to be ready. Right in here, there's some green, and you can see that as you look out over the field a little bit too. But you know, the stuff on the edge is already looking to be wheat that's ready to combine almost. And the big debate that we were having was if we should spray it or not. If there's any weeds deep in here, spraying it would kill those weeds. You know, that'd be a good thing as far as what we're harvesting. And then it would also kind of cheat this ripening process a little bit and allow us to harvest a little bit earlier, you know, at least a few days, if not a week earlier. The other side of the coin is we could just kind of let it go. It's really hot. You can probably see the sweat on my forehead. Things are turning quick. Just in a couple days it's turned a lot, so I don't think we're gonna have to wait too long. We could probably just let this thing go and harvest it when it's actually ready without burning the money up on spray and operating the sprayer. So that's kind of what we're dabbling with. I think it's probably leaning towards spraying it, just to make sure there's no weeds in there and everything's ready to combine here shortly and we're not kind of delayed again. But that's kind of your crop check today. Big field, ready to go almost. I don't know, maybe the next video or maybe the one after that, we should be harvesting. So if you're not subscribed to the channel, be sure you are subscribed. We hit 1,000 subscribers on the channel today, which was pretty cool. I got excited. I'm not the most consistent guy at the videos in the world, and 1,000 might not be huge in terms of YouTube, but that's a lot of people, and it's pretty cool that you guys are all following along the farm and what we're doing. So that's it for this one, everybody. See you guys next time. Peace.